Hello friends, good evening. So in this video we'll discuss about the importance of Mars ingress and Mars moving through the water zodiac sign, uh, how it can impact the market. So astrology can be used in various ways, financial astrologies, and it can be used in a predictive way also. So today we are trying to show you a predictive way which we can use to you know understand what could be the next move of the market. Now, having said that, these are not holy grail strategies. I mean, they are prone to fail, and that is why any trades taken based on these strategies, based on your analysis going forward, make sure you have a defined stop losses. At the end of the day, when it comes to stock market, it is your position size and your risk management which will save you. I mean, these are because you need to understand one basic thing is apart from these methods which we are discussing, there are various planets, there are various galaxies which are revolving in our universe, and any galaxy can, impact the planet which is showing our, I mean, like ingress, and they can have they can nullify the impact. So that is why stop losses are must, risk management is must, position sizing is must. Don't put everything in a single trade and hoping that the trade will work. That in the trade where you put the maximum money, that is the trade where you're going to lose the most. I mean, this is what I've observed from my personal experience. So every trade should be neutral, and you need to put your studies and write the trade based on your strategy. So now this is start of Nifty. We have seen a very wonderful fall, almost 300 points fall on Friday. So what can this fall be predicted well in advance is something which we are going to learn in this video. So like I've told you many times, any planet which is changing its house, it brings some trend change in the market. So yesterday Mars was changing house. Uh, so let me do this. So Mars, all zodiac, ingress in. Let me apply this. So Mars is a planet of energy, right? And energy means, whichever side the move is coming, it will bring in more energy. So generally, we tend to see some trending moves in the market. So now you see here, this is Mars. It has changed sign on 5th, and on 6th we had a very good fall. Similarly, it changed sign. Let me move to daily, sorry, bar. So it changed sign here, and it made a small doji, and next day big fall, and again a good recovery. After this, nothing happened. It was just sideways zone and moving up. So sometimes it is giving big fall, sometimes it is giving so-so fall, sometimes it is not doing anything. How we can predict this? So for that, we need to understand this important concept of zodiac signs. So basically, we have four signs: fire, earth, air, and water, right? And if I select fire, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, these are part of fire zodiac. If I select earth, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then if I select air, then we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And if I select water, then we have Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Now, all these four elements, fire, earth, air, and water, they have their own characteristics. Let me quickly show you that also. So bullish. So basically, if fire is generally considered major upward indicator, it is bullish. Earth is a kind of trend continuation, which is also bullish. Air, which says sideways, which is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. And if we are into water sign, then we generally tend to see a downward moves, which is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So now let me just select water sign here. Click OK. I remove this condition. So whenever Mars is in water sign, let's see what is happening. So Mars was in water sign here, and from there the fall started. So Mars was in Cancer, and one more thing is Cancer is own house of Mars. So when the yeah, so now you see here, so the market was in downtrend, and from there a big rally came. So we were expecting a downward movement, but it never broke the low. So it started moving up, and from here, see here, the downward trend started again, right? Again from here, it was in a downtrend, 2 3 days it remained downtrend. So important thing for us is make the high and low of this, whatever day it is coming. Now if the low is getting breached or it is forming double bottom, the bias is on downside with a stop loss on high, but if it breaches the high, then you have to go long also. So again, yeah, so here from here also we got a downward trend. So this is what we call as a predictive astrology. So again, if that day is like fifth, fourth, if I want to trade, I'll just note down the high and low of that day, and whichever side is broken, I take the trade. So we can use your our intraday ratio indicator also. So like this was the ratio indicator. Um, 1 minute, let me just apply that. Yeah, intraday ratio indicator. So you just put here, you mark the high and low of that day, and whichever side is broken, you take the trade, and from there we can get a good fall. So with this, knowledge of this water, I mean, these all four signs, you can create a bias towards your trade. So if you think that the trend is going more on the bearish side, so you can plan accordingly, being on a neutral side. Instead of waiting for the high and low to be broken, this is a simple way to use the predictive astrology. Now, as this is Mars, so this will have a very good implications on stocks related to power, fire. So, like if I take example of REC Limited, so there also you can see we can see a very nice move in the market. So let me apply this also. So that is how if you want to use astrology for stocks also. So now this is very important. You need to understand which sector impact, which planet impact which sector, and based on that you have to find your stocks and plan accordingly. So again, I'll go to ULE and let me apply calculate. I've just applied water sign. So again, whenever see here, from here, good fall came. Here also, it was 1 or 2 days of small fall came. Here it was in a very strong downtrend after that. Here it acted in an opposite manner, but important thing is you can see here that we are getting very nice turning points in the market. Right. So similarly, any power stock you can apply and see how these are how this is impacting. And now instead of water sign, if I select clear all, select all, click OK. So now you'll see more impact here. You can see here whenever Mars is changing sign, you tend to see a very nice move in any stock which is related to power. So like even you can try it on your Adani Power, any stock of your choice, PFCs and RDCs of the world. So this is how you can use these simple techniques. Hopefully, you can use it better. And I've also explained you how, price going in different signs can show a good impact in the stocks. So that's about it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.